Welcome to this beautifully redesigned Montoya floor plan, offering 1,432 square feet with 2 bedrooms plus a den. Inspired throughout by a distinctive MacKenzie-Childs theme, this reimagined home showcases meticulous attention to detail, thoughtful upgrades, and a truly memorable sense of style. The completely reconfigured kitchen is both functional and beautiful, featuring a newly added window in the dining nook, custom cabinetry with glass inserts, quartz countertops, white tile flooring, a pot filler over the stove, a hands-free faucet, stone accent detailing below the countertop, newer appliances, and a custom-built storage bench. Both bathrooms have been fully remodeled with updated cabinetry, showers, and tile flooring. The primary bath adds an extra touch of comfort with heated floors, while custom closets throughout the home provide practical and attractive storage solutions. Interior highlights include beautiful stone accent walls, wainscoting, crown molding, and gorgeous pergo flooring throughout the living areas, bedrooms, office, and hallway. Shutters throughout add a polished finishing touch. Additional upgrades include new energy-efficient fans and a stylish hallway chandelier. The exterior is equally impressive, with new stone facing, fresh exterior paint completed in 2025, and a beautiful etched glass front door. The garage offers extra overhead storage racks, air conditioning, and a garage door with windows. A new tankless water heater adds efficiency and convenience. Located in Sun City Shadow Hills, a premier 55-plus active adult community in Indio, California features 3,450 homes, 2 clubhouses, 2 golf courses, Shadows Restaurant, and an impressive selection of amenities designed for an active lifestyle. Enjoy golf, tennis, pickleball, bocce, fitness centers, billiards, pools, a library, and more than 50 clubs covering interests such as art, sports, literature, food, wine, photography, and theater. The clubhouses provide welcoming spaces for fitness, dining, games, meetings, and community events, while Shadows Restaurant offers a wide menu, happy hour, Sunday brunch, and holiday celebrations.